Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're at Anthony's house and Daniel and Greg's over here too.
I think I've had this in every single video.
Oh my god. Yo, McDonald's should sponsor you. Okay, but anyways, today, as you guys can see by the title of this video, we're completing the aero kit of this car. So I decided to go with these rear spats over here. They only come in carbon fiber. Thanks Daniel for holding it.
Yeah, no worries, bro.
So they only come in carbon fiber. So right now, I'm gonna install it like this just to see what it looks like. Cause I did a poll on Instagram, if you guys follow me there. Like you would have seen that, yo, at least like 70% voted carbon fiber. So I'll see what it is like, and then if I don't like it, then I'll just take it off and paint it black, which I'm probably gonna do.
Yeah, you're not gonna like it. Yeah.
Dude, because everything is like so
too different.
Yeah, everything is so black on the car. It's like almost doesn't even make sense to have just one carbon fiber piece. All right, guys. So here's the right side of the spat. So if I test fit it on right now, you guys can see there's a little gap over here, and that's happening because this little corner is touching the diffuser right here. So what I did was I took the Dremel and I kind of shaved off that little edge over here just to make it fit perfect and get rid of that gap. So here's a little before and after comparison. Okay, so you guys can see that this one is more curved, whereas this one, like how it came, is a little edgy over here, kind of. So I'm gonna install this one first, see if there's any issues, and then if there's none, then I'll show you guys how to trim this off. All right, guys, so we just went to Home Depot to get some bolts and nuts for these, because I was gonna use these self-tapping screws, but like it's kind of short and small, so not sure if it's gonna hold the weight. I mean, not the weight, but like if it'll even go all the way through. All right, so right now we're doing the driver's side. So there's already like one hole at the bottom here, and there's no holes on this carbon fiber piece. So to know where we're gonna drill the first hole, if you pull the bumper right here, you can see the hole from here. So then you can line up the carbon fiber piece and then just take a Sharpie like this and then put it in the hole, and you see where the mark is, and then you can just drill there. So you guys can see the marker here, so just drill right here, and then once it's on right here, then you can probably like have a nut or a bolt holding it here, and then keep drilling the other ones, so it's easier that way. So let's drill that first one right here.
What happened there?
Oh shit, the smell.
It's hard.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I know it does.
Just tap lines.
Okay, good now. Hopefully that's not too big, bro.
Okay, you got the washer.
Dude, the washer is like tiny this time.
That's okay. The washer just has to be a tiny bit bigger.
Alright guys, so change of plan. Anthony came up with a better plan actually. I was gonna just put this bolt in and then like try to drill the other holes like blindly, but Anthony suggested that we just drill one hole here like we did and then one more here, so then we can just see where we're drilling on the car.
Yeah, dude, I think your other drill bit is getting a little dull.
Yeah.
You're finally putting something back here. I think it will look better.
Okay, let me put that on top and let's see. Alright guys, so we just put the first bolt in here. It's down there towards the rear wheel. So now we're gonna drill into the bumper near the rear, and then if needs be, I think we're gonna have to drill a third one in the middle because there's a little gap, but we'll see how bad it is first. Bro, do we even need a middle one?
Yeah, you said you wanted one to close the gap.
Is there a gap though?
Oh no, it looks pretty good actually.
I don't see it. This sounds kind of like...
Crank.
Yeah.
If you drive and you notice it, then I don't think you're gonna notice it. But if you put a third one, you can stand on it.
What the fuck, chill.
Facts, bro.
Chill. Like,
Yeah, I think you like just flex one side for a bit.
oh, you're just driving one side on?
I think you just flex one side for a bit. That was a lot of work, bro.
Alright, so this is where I placed the screw for the screws or the bolts. So if you guys like come down here to your car right now, you'll see that there's already a bolt there, but it was too short, so I had to get a replacement one. So you're gonna need one here, and then we put one near the end over here, as you guys can see. Yeah, so that's this side done. Now let's do the other side, but before we go to the other side, you could put a third one in the middle if you want. Like it'll probably stop this clink cranking noise. Yeah, just gonna do the other side and call it quits for now until I paint this. Alright, so we're done the install on both sides. I kind of fucked up over here. Like this gap over here is a little bigger than this one over here. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated on how I feel it. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna grab it out and you guys can see what it looks like.
Yeah, you can see it pretty well here. Yeah, bruh. I think the contrast is too big.
What?
Between the black and
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Yeah, that's too much, bro.
Yeah, I don't know. I was leaning more towards the black too, but since Instagram said carbon fiber, so this is what it looks like.